Hello, I'm Dr. Aidan Boren, founder and CEO of Digital Gait Labs. We have invented and brought to market an AI-driven, mobile-based gait analysis platform called Gatekeeper. It addresses a critical unmet clinical need for a decision support tool to assess gait analytics. Such analytics are required throughout healthcare systems, and our initial offering is focused on falls risk management, frailty assessment, and several rehabilitation program areas. Our platform technology provides cost-effective, accessible, and highly accurate method for evaluating gait speed, which is an essential biomarker in the detection of frailty, cognitive decline, and falls risk. Traditional gait assessment methods rely on expensive, cumbersome equipment or subjective observation, making them impractical for widespread clinical use. Our solution is now on the market in clinical use and generating revenues. I'd like to pass you over now to our Clinical Director, Professor Sean Kennelly.
Our game-changing solution is known as Gatekeeper. This technology has been developed following 5 years of interdisciplinary research spanning academic, clinical and technological domains, and validated in collaboration with Dublin City University and in patient populations in Tala University Hospital. It leverages artificial intelligence and augmented reality to provide precise gait measurements, including gait speed, stride length and step dynamics. Gatekeeper is a CE marked Class 1 medical device and is already generating revenue in 8 clinical areas in the Irish healthcare system. The Gatekeeper product offering includes the following features: an AI model which calculates the motion of 25 key point parameters on the body. It's like having 25 sensors. The front end of the device for video capture incorporates an augmented reality model that standardizes gait speed measurements via simulated gait laboratory. Analytics and reports can be accessed as an enterprise installation or via the cloud. We also provide project management, installation and training support when we're onboarding new customers. The benefits of Gatekeeper and the ability to measure gait speed in a more reliable and standardized fashion include improved patient outcomes through timely identification of frailty and falls risk, which supports early interventions, reducing hospitalizations, enhanced quality of care and life for older adults. And this preventative approach to care reduces healthcare costs by lowering emergency care visits and long-term care needs by anticipating those care needs. By transforming mobile devices into digital gait labs, Gatekeeper has decentralized care. It reaches patients in their homes, in clinics and in community settings. I'm going to hand over to my colleague Larry, who's going to talk more about the validation process and the financials.
Hi, I'm Larry Keaveney, CFO of Digital Gait Labs. Our product development secured $750,000 in R&D funding to support the research, development and validation of Gatekeeper, including clinical trials at Tala University Hospital. We've already generated $80,000 of revenues, and the business plan projections are close to $200,000 for 2025. We've secured an excellent channel partner in Unifar Health, who have now dedicated resources to sales and marketing of the Gatekeeper product portfolio. Already Unifar have established a strong pipeline of opportunities. Clinical validation studies for Gatekeeper have been widely published over the last 2 years: the European Geriatric Conference, Lisbon in 24, the Irish Geriatric Conference in 23, and the 12th International Syncope Training Day in St. James's Hospital. Peer-reviewed clinical validation papers have been published in the Sensors Journal. A US patent application was filed in 2024. For the UK and EU, the patent search phase has completed, and filing is complete in the UK and underway in the EU. We believe there is a $1.4 billion opportunity across the EU, UK and USA on a recurring revenue basis. Healthcare trends are also providing a helpful tailwind. There is a growing emphasis on connected care, digital health solutions, and cost efficiencies in clinical settings drives demand for accessible, accurate mobility data. We are targeting a 2.3 million plus profitable business within 4 years, with potential for accelerated growth as clinicians become aware of Gatekeeper's objective gait assessment platform. The company in 2025 will scale up in Ireland across a range of care pathways and care settings. The clinical and commercial proof points will then be used to enter the UK and selected EU markets in 2026 and then the USA in 2027. The opportunity for Gait Spark crowdfunding investors is very attractive. Investors can invest up to $300,000 in exchange for 15% of common equity. The 2 million plus pre-money valuation is underpinned by the 750k invested in development to date and the early revenue traction achieved. Management believed the growth numbers would prove very attractive to medtech and health informatics companies, and an exit with a 10x to 20x return for Spark investors is eminently feasible. Also, it should be noted that Digital Gait Labs investors will be eligible for 35% EIS tax rebates, thus de-risking the valuation entry point by more than a third. And now I will hand you back to Aidan.
Innovation in healthcare is a team sport. Our team has deep AI expertise, world-class clinical research leadership, and seasoned financial acumen. This team is uniquely positioned to bring innovation from the lab to market. We are supported by a deep network of academic and industrial partners. We're inviting Spark investors to join our exciting growth phase. We're proposing to raise €300,000 at a €2 million pre-money valuation. Enterprise Ireland are also participating in this round. Gatekeeper is already generating revenue and has a strong sales funnel for 2025. It's a CE-marked Class 1 medical device. We're inviting you to invest now to help transform the future of gait analysis in healthcare and buy into the tremendous sales and profitable growth opportunity. Thank you.